Everyone's getting shouted at for stopping on a green light. Or do you? Oh! What's going on, ladies and gents? How's it going? Thank you so much for joining me. My name's Didi. I am the Tits Master. Now, if you saw my last video, oh shucks, you will see that, oh, two trailer park girls go round the outside, Oh, cold tyres, bro. If you saw my last video, you'll see that little dirt bag in front of me, my 17-year-old son, kicked my ass by like half a second. Oh, so this is redemption. Do you know what I've done? I've been a bit naughty, and I've actually had him swap out go-karts. So he's in 34 this time, which was what I was in last time, and now I'm in his, which is number 50. And it does feel a hell of a lot better already. Whoa, don't go so wide, bro. He's going for the old switcheroo, and he's done him. He's done him on the inside. Oh man. Now I have to get past him. The problem with this kid is his lines are crazy, but his lines are crazy, but he don't weigh anything. I feel so much better than 34. I still can't catch up with him. Well, I tell you about me. But don't forget, you have to come up with the excuses, brother. I'm 19 stone, he's 11. Keep that back on me, check boy. Dead turn. Watching you, bumpity in. I'm 19 stone, he's 11. I've been up since 4 o'clock at work and come straight racing. Whereas he's done bog all. I don't even think he's done gym today. Keep such a tight line. I'm gonna have them both going up here now. She's not purple. Come on! Pushing him, giving him, acknowledging the bump. He's gonna bump him back. It's a feisty one, this one. This is gonna end up in tears, this. I see it coming for me, because I'm gonna let him go. They're having a right scrap between them. And I'm keeping up though. Just keep that arse ending. Come on, boy. So, I don't know if I said in the last video, I can't remember, but there's not many, holy smokes, there's not many, not anybody that records themselves while driving go-karts. Now, there is a lot of go-karting channels, but shit, man, reactions on that, man. Well, there's a lot of go-karting channels, but none of them talk and drive. Well, I'm used to being a steering wheel attendant and talking and driving, so I can do that quite well. And let's see if I can do this quite well. I mean, I'm not going to break any records at my weight and my ability, because I'm not the greatest. I don't ever claim to be the greatest, but I do enjoy doing this. I absolutely love it, even if it is hotter than Satan's armpit in here. Oh shit, that's what happens when you screw it up. I'm trying to be smooth, I'm trying to be the smooth operator. Oh man, I'm going to say I'm as smooth as I can't actually say what I was going to say. I was going to say I'm as smooth as the missus is, you know, not very. So I'm going to go for a little bit of a later boost on this one and try and get some more drag up the hill, because these karts struggle pulling my fat ass up here. Cutting in tight on. I've got to run out. Oh, that was miles better. Look at that. Oh, it just sets you up for the rest of it, man. That's what I need to do next time round. Keep that back end in. Turned in way too early for that. Should turn in a little bit later for that one. So I'm here, but I'm not actually making a challenge. I'm not mounting any kind of an assault, you know. This is going to be very boring if this all happens for 15 minutes. Tighter on that one, better out. Yeah. Oh, I missed that apex by about a foot. Good grief. Oh, he's making mistakes. Oh, lost the arse end again. We caught this guy up already. God, have we caught number 23 up that quick? I really forgot to press his boost button. I'm catching him up quite quick. I'm right on his tail here. Oh dear. Concentrate, brother. Concentrate. Ignore them two. Ignore what they're doing. Oh, he's going to get cornered. Oh, look, he's going to make me. He's not going to make me know. He's going to slam on. You crazy kid. Switcheroo time. He's going to go very wide. Cut the inside. Nice and bonny. Just like that. What's this? Oh, boost. Boost. All the way around the outside. Two trailer park girls go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside. That guy's gained a lot of time on me. He's going to gain even more if I keep missing that by that much. That's it. Turn it a bit earlier. Oh, not so hard on apex though, brother. I hope you like this kind of content. I know it's a bit different from what I've done in the past, but it is something I enjoy and it's something I can waffle at for 15 minutes of your time. It's not going to be an hour long, is it? You know, let's be honest. Unless you want it. Let's see where we end up going with this. Who knows? This might make me famous. Oh. Yeah, he's with that back end going everywhere. Great, my hands. I'm going to say this in every video, so it's something you'll have to get used to. My hands, man. Oh, look at that. Slidey right there. Shit. See, you want to slide some places, but in other places you don't. That's the problem. In some places you do want to slide. In other places you don't. It's finding that limit when you're an amateur. Try to go a little bit wider than that to try and keep the pace up a bit. Like scrubbing so much speed off. You can probably hear it screeching like that. Can you hear that? That's what I don't want to happen around these corners. Apart from this one, tap on, slide it, get that back end going round, and follow it through. Here I don't really want it to happen. I want to try and keep it as smooth as I can. So let's keep my mouth shut here and let's see if we can actually put a lap together. There you go. That was a lap of Teamsport Preston as if you've never seen it before, bro. There's only 5 million people been here and recorded it, but still. Where's my lad gone? Yeah, dust. Oh, he's there going down ramp. Oh, it's not that far away. Not as bad as it was on first race we had. On first race he just vanished. But yeah, I got him to change out. Oh, that was sexy. I got him to change our go-kart. Because I was just like, that go-kart isn't good. It just kept cutting out. When I got into a corner like that, halfway around the corner like on the apex, it just died. And it was driving me daft. So, I asked him to change it. And he went, I better not beat you now, Dodge. I was like, hey, he probably will do. He always does. The only place I beat him is Manchester Victoria. And he was absolutely fuming. He's like super competitive with his racing. He's a sim racer, and like I'm not. I can't be super competitive with like my weight and my ability. If I actually knew what I was doing instead of just like driving around as fast as I can, oh good, you know, look nice, but it was probably really slow. If I knew what I was doing and I actually had some tips and some pointers, then I'd probably be more angry, but no one's ever taught me how to race or show me anything. The guy at Teamsport Trafford, the Asian guy, he's really, really nice, and he's tried giving me some pointers at Trafford. But I can't follow the pointers, and it's just what I've just been explaining to Dee then. Obviously Dee's getting older, he's getting bigger, and he's started going to the gym like I have. And he said to me that little kid just kept pulling away from me. And I said, well, that's something you've just got to get used to as you get bigger, mate. I said, it happens. And it's what annoys me, especially at Teamsport Trafford, when you get onto the pit straight at Trafford and you get these kids that are really small. I could do with the boost button right now. You get these kids that are really small, you can build them up for an overtake for like half a lap, like starting before the bridge. You can set them up there for an overtake, but then you get to the pit straight, you do a switcheroo on the hairpin, and they just dust you down the pit straight, and it's like, well, I've just wasted half a lap doing that. It can be quite annoying. It can be very annoying, actually. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. A little bit of a 2-biter. That was nice. You can't get close to fucking apex without eating it than that. So you can slam this on, slide it in, get some beans out, get over to the side quick, lift off, floor it, keep that steering wheel turn, get over to the right. A little bit later, a little bit of an adjustment mid-corner again. So yeah, if anyone's got any tips, they're a pro and they want to give me some tips on how to race. If you tell me, oh, you just get out the car because you're shit, oh, okay then, whatever. I do it for fun. I don't claim to be the best in the world. I never will be. Just like anything, to be fair. I'll never be the best at anything. But by God, I do enjoy it. Oh, it's so much fun. That was nice too. A little flirt on that one. Straight in we go. It's so warm in here. I love that bit just to get some bloody cold air in my visor. Wow. I have never known it be warm in here before. I mean, I haven't been for 11 months because I made Mrs. D a promise that when she got pregnant I wouldn't go-karting because it was mine and her thing. I mean, my kids have always loved it. I took D for his 15th birthday because he loves F1 and he loves Gran Turismo and all that crap. So I took him for his 15th birthday because I don't buy my kids presents. I never have done. I buy them experiences, as I call it. I do stuff with them. Like this year I took Lucas to Santa Pod to watch the drag racing and get his face filled with nitro. It's stuff that he'll remember. Oh, there we go. It's stuff that he'll remember, hopefully, like all his life. Whereas like a pair of trainers, you're going to grow out of them, or a computer, it's going to get upgraded. But there you go anyway. We finished waffling for this 15 minutes. I hope you've had a good time, hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, broskies. Ta-ra. I didn't catch him up.